This video will teach you how to highlight alternating rows in Microsoft Excel using a table style. Select the cells you want to add to the table. Click Format as Table. Select a table style. Click OK. This applies the style to the selected data. If you want to convert the table back to a regular range of cells so you can edit the data, click the table to bring up the table tools in the toolbar. Click Convert to Range. Using conditional formatting, select the cells you want to format. Click the drop-down icon next to conditional formatting. Click New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula to highlight alternating rows. Click Format. Click the Fill tab. Select a pattern or color for the shaded rows and click OK. You'll see a preview of the color below the formula. Click OK. This highlights alternating rows in the spreadsheet with the color or pattern you selected. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.